Eating and drinking utensils. Spoon.
Spoon.
I ate my soup with a spoon. Teaspoon.
Teaspoon. I add sugar to my tea with a teaspoon.
Knife.
Knife.
I need a knife to cut my meat. Fork.
Fork. John ate his salad with a fork.
Cutlery.
Cutlery.
I asked the waiter for some cutlery. Glass.
Glass. Alice is drinking a glass of water.
Mug.
Mug.
I drink a mug of coffee for breakfast. Cup.
Cup. The waiter brought me a cup of tea.
Saucer.
Saucer.
There is a cup on each saucer. Plate.
Plate. The food is on the plate.
Bowl.
Bowl.
I had a bowl of soup for lunch. Napkin.
Napkin. I put my napkin on my lap and started to eat.
Tray.
Tray.
I carried the plates to the table on a tray. Bottle.
Bottle. I bought a bottle of wine from the shop.
Jug.
Pitcher.
There's a jug of orange juice in the fridge. Teapot.
Teapot. I made the tea in an old teapot.